Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another video. Ladies and gentlemen, today I bring to you an application that is promising you guys out there real life money, kind of like this, but this is a chocolate coin, so we don't want to talk about that. But apparently they're going to pay us out real life money for us to play this game that reminds me so much of Candy Crush. You've probably seen it around on the internet right now. A lot of other creators are calling this the Candy Crush that earns money. This application is called Sweet Bitcoin, and it's made from the developers Bling. Now I've covered the Bling apps on my channel before, and I haven't really had a problem with Bling apps, guys, so I'm going into Sweet Bitcoin with the same expectations, but the whole concept here is that you're earning coins that you can then cash out for real life money. And because it's like Candy Crush, you have the in-game items, you have all the cool sound effects, and you have a ton of tasks to actually complete on each level. Now you do get limited moves, and you have goals that you have to actually complete, and obviously if you fail those goals, then you fail the level. It's pretty straightforward, everyone. If you've ever played Candy Crush, then you know exactly what to expect with an application like this. Now you have 15 tries to actually earn money on this application per day, because the thing is, everyone, this is not like a standard money making app that I cover here on the channel. Because it's made from the developers Bling, this is actually a cryptocurrency earning application that pays you out in Bitcoin to your crypto wallet. So this is not like the generic PayPal money making applications out there, okay? This is more based towards people that want to earn Bitcoin, hence the name Sweet Bitcoin. So you might see on the internet you can make money on this application, but in reality you're actually earning Bitcoin. The problem is Bitcoin isn't available in every country, so not everyone will be able to actually use this application. Plus, a lot of people don't actually know what to do with Bitcoin once they have it. You need to create a crypto wallet. I use Coinbase personally, and this application will require you to use Coinbase to the best of my knowledge. But I know why you're here. You're just here to see if this application is legit or not. So everyone, I played for the 15 times per day that I was allowed to play for, and I built up around, I think, 50 or 60,000 coins in total. You get rewarded a certain amount of coins each time you complete a level, by the way, which then you convert those coins into the cryptocurrency. I actually really enjoyed this game. I didn't find this game too hard either, okay? Usually with these games, I thought they would try and waste your time so then you watch more advertisements, but in reality, I was able to get through my 15 turns quite easily, and I feel like you guys out there will be able to do the same thing. Now, how much money we actually get from this application, this might actually disappoint some people. I actually did get the funds sent to my Coinbase account, but the problem was, everyone, what I received did disappoint me quite a bit. So for 50,000 coins, I only got 3 cents Australian currency. Now that really is not that much, and even though I don't know if this is worth your time out there, the choice is yours to play it. My job here on this YouTube channel is to show you apps that actually do pay me. So thankfully, Bling has delivered another application that has paid us out in Bitcoin, but not that much at all. By the way, it took me about 30 minutes to actually earn those coins, so keep that in mind, guys. Give it a try. And if you mix it in with the other games that Bling actually has, because guess what, everyone, you have a global balance that goes between all the apps on Bling. So once you're done with this app, you can then jump to another app by Bling. It's actually really cool. Thank you very much for watching. It's going to be a little short video today. I just thought I'd put this out there. If you enjoyed, please remember to hit like and subscribe. Be sure to join as a member to get those extra benefits. And I'll speak to you all in the next video in 1 to 2 days. Catch you around, everyone.